Guys, we made it. We're in Berlin. Let's go. The boy, Jesus Christ.
Germany. So we go ahead.
Yeah. Creatorpeter fans. To be honest, I'm kind of drunk. And the boys, we're hanging out. Let's go. Cheers, boys. Yeah. You have no idea how excited I am. Look at this. Look at this. This is authentic currywurst with pommes frites. Let's go. Just look at this. The life of a blogger. Got my drone in my pocket. Well, that was great. Good experience. What is going on? So, I just asked the cop what was going on with that like barrage of cars, but they're protesting Corona, which is like weird. Look at the scale of this beer.
They have football, so they call it.
It's huge. We'll see.
One of the games you do. Honestly, have a beer.
You crashed my drone, dude.
I crashed your drone? Nah, bro.
Look in the vlog. My friend crashed my drone. Better content. Come on. Beef.
Nikhil crashed my drone. He owes me $600. Not euros. Fuck that. Woo! This is for you. Yeah, of course. We're going back home to Dublin, baby. Ryanair for the win.